Today we're venturing into the mystic corners of the dark web. Let's start with some clarification. You might have come across the terms deep web and dark web. It's easy to mix them up, so we wanted to clear the fog. The deep web is like the hidden side of an iceberg, a huge portion of the internet that's hidden from view, submerged beneath the surface. It includes data that search engines like Google can't reach. They're not hidden due to secrecy, but because they lack external links, much like unlisted YouTube videos. Accessible if you know where to look, they're vast and hidden, yet not inherently dark. Now, within this colossal deep web, there's a hidden cave called the dark web. It's the secret part of the web that's intentionally hidden and needs specific software, like Tor, to access. Sure, it has a notorious reputation for being a hotbed of illicit activities. Not that you're interested in any of that. But it also serves as a secure refuge for whistleblowers, activists, and people looking for privacy from prying eyes. So, in essence, the dark web is part of the deep web, but not all of the deep web is dark. So, what exactly is the dark web? Well, let's take a step back and grasp the functioning of the internet first. When you browse the web, you typically enter a domain name like vpnMentor.com into your browser, and that name gets translated into an IP address by a server. Just like your home address, an IP address is a unique identifier, but instead of street names, it consists of numbers. In contrast, dark web websites, known as hidden services, utilize Tor onion addresses, which are distinct from regular IP addresses. Tor onion addresses are a different type of address used specifically within the Tor network. Websites hosted on the Tor network are called hidden services because they are not visible on the regular internet and can't be accessed by regular browsers. Regular IP addresses are made up of numbers and usually look like this. Onion addresses, however, are made up of 16, 56, or 128 alphanumeric characters and end with .onion. An example would be something like this. While a regular IP address can be traced back to a specific server and potentially to the person or organization running that server, an onion address does not reveal any information about where the server is located. This makes it a very anonymous way of hosting and accessing websites. Dark websites live on a decentralized network, unlike surface websites such as Facebook or Instagram, which use centralized systems controlled by a single company. In decentralized networks, many computers connect directly to each other, sharing control and data. So, when we say dark websites are on a decentralized network, it means they're spread out on different computers all over the world, not stored in one place under one control.
This network is powered by a special software called Tor, which helps protect the privacy and anonymity of users. The decentralized nature of the dark web, combined with the encryption and routing mechanisms of Tor, ensures that dark web websites maintain a high level of privacy and are not easily linked to traditional IP addresses used by regular websites. As a result, dark web pages remain hidden from search engine results. When you navigate to a dark web address, your connection embarks on a journey through the Tor network, often likened to an onion. This is because your destination is wrapped in multiple layers of encryption, resembling the layers of an onion. Each relay in the network peels away a single layer, uncovering just enough information to send your request to the next relay without revealing the ultimate destination or your origin. By bouncing your connection through these diverse servers, your original IP address and physical location are effectively concealed. Each server in the network only sees the previous server that passed on the encrypted data, making it extremely difficult to trace the origin of the connection back to you. Despite the layers of encryption and server bouncing, determined and skilled individuals or organizations may employ advanced techniques to uncover the origin of a connection. Someone with access to your network traffic could use tactics like timing analysis or network traffic correlation. You can learn more about this type of attacks on our website. I'll leave a link in the description. Another significant threat within the Tor network is the Sybil attack. This occurs when an entity controls a large number of relay nodes. If these compromised nodes are chosen as the relays for a particular route, the entity could potentially decrypt the entire route and de-anonymize the user. This well-known risk is a key reason why the Tor community strongly advocates for more volunteers to host relay nodes.
thereby increasing network diversity and resilience against such attacks. That's when a VPN becomes relevant and sometimes even crucial when accessing the dark web. It replaces your real IP with one from a VPN server, used by many others, making it harder to trace your actions. If someone bypasses Tor's encryption, they'll only find the VPN's IP, not yours. However, it's not foolproof. Authorities can still track users through VPN logs, unless you use a no-log VPN. You probably already know that the dark web hosts websites offering a variety of illegal services. This is why the dark web often carries a negative connotation. Indeed, much of what you hear is true. Illegal activities, including the sale of drugs, weapons, stolen data, and other illicit services, do occur there. Interestingly, a good number of these, probably around 99%, are actually honeypots set up by agencies like the FBI or CIA to catch those attempting to use these services. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to explore the dark web? Well, there are legitimate reasons to visit the dark web. The dark web provides a platform for whistleblowers, journalists, and activists to communicate securely and anonymously, employing various technologies like encryption and anonymity tools. While the dark web provides anonymity, it's important to understand that this doesn't equate to security. In fact, the anonymity it offers extends to attackers as well, making it akin to a lawless land where cyber threats like phishing scams and malware are more rampant. To ensure comprehensive protection on the dark web, it's crucial to adopt multiple security measures. A key strategy is using a trusted VPN in conjunction with Tor. Some VPN providers offer built-in options to route your traffic through Tor, enhancing privacy and ease of use. This combination, along with a reliable antivirus solution, forms a robust defense against online threats. A VPN is essential for enhancing your online privacy by adding an additional layer of encryption to your internet connection and shielding your sensitive data. However, to ensure complete cybersecurity, it's crucial to combine a VPN with robust antivirus software. Antivirus software acts as a first line of defense, scanning files, monitoring network activity, and protecting against malware and online threats. By integrating the privacy benefits of a VPN with the comprehensive security of antivirus software, you establish a strong defense when exploring the dark web. Remember, venturing into the dark web should not be taken lightly. It requires a deep understanding of the risks involved and the ability to distinguish between lawful and illegal activities. Always exercise caution and adhere to the laws of your country. Exploring the dark web can be an eye-opening experience, but it's crucial to prioritize your safety and security above all else. We at vpnMentor do not support, endorse, or encourage any illegal activities or actions that violate local, national, or international laws. The dark web can be a risky and potentially dangerous environment, and we strongly advise against engaging in any unlawful or illicit activities. That's a wrap on our journey through the mysterious realms of the dark web. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay safe.